Hey everyone, before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Airtable to N8n. Let's get started. First, in N8n, add a new node. Then click Trigger and select Manually. After that, add another node and search for Airtable in the search bar. Click on it and choose New Airtable Event. Next, click on Select Credential and choose Create New Credential. Under the Connect Using option, select Access Token. Now we need to generate an access token. Head over to airtable.com/create/tokens. I've also added the link in the video description for your convenience. Once you're on the token creation page, create a new token. Give it a name and choose the required scopes. I usually select all the scopes so that N8n has full access to everything it needs. After that, choose the base you want to connect to. In my case, I'll select the one called YouTube Test. Once you're ready, go ahead and generate the token. When your token is created, copy it. Then switch back to N8n, add an Airtable node again, and click Create New Credentials. Choose Access Token, paste in your token, and hit Save. You should see a success message. Awesome! You're all set and ready to go.